Make sure you stay until the end. One common mistake, you will break the intake manifold, and that's a few $100s. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Dodge Charger. If you have one of those, you have check engine light and code P0108. Stay with us, we'll explain what most likely causes that. If it's not the sensor responsible, okay, for that code, it could be something completely different. Make sure you stay until the end so you don't waste your money. We'll explain how to test the sensor as well, and we'll explain about a common mistake people make that actually will break the intake manifold, and it's quite expensive. It's a few $100s, so stay with us and we'll explain what we're talking about. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make, guys, at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On that Dodge Charger, we'll have even more. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos, absolutely free. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Charger or any car, you want to get them at a good price and quick shipping, you want to save money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and we'll share where you can find even additional things. So what we have specifically, 2018 Dodge, that's a 3.6 engine that we have here, quite common on Dodge Chargers. So if we come, okay, and right there, I want to show you guys, many of you asked us in the comment section below, that's where you leave your comments and questions, what tool we use for diagnostic. This is the one, guys, that we recommend, one of the best one that we had. It's amazing tool that can pay itself off in one-time use, works on any car you can think of. It's very, very powerful tool, and I'm going to put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from, and you can check the current price and features as well. So what is that called? P0108. Before we start, okay, we need to pull that. You can see upper engine cover, just grab it. It has 4 rubber bushings that attach right here. You can see those rubber bushings there. Those posts go in the rubber bushing. So just grab and pull it straight out. You have that sensor that's known as a MAP sensor, Manifold Absolute Pressure Sensor. This is super important sensor for especially that engine and any engine practically fuel injected new generation engines, because it actually uses that sensor to calculate, okay, how much vacuum we have in the intake manifold. Then it's going to use the intake air temperature sensor, which will tell the engine computer how hot the air is, and by calculating the vacuum and the temperature of the air, the engine will know exactly how much air is going inside the engine. So the engine computer will decide how much fuel, okay, the fuel injectors need to spray and all that stuff. So super important information, guys. Now, what's that sensor? That's a MAP sensor. Where it's located? Usually right after the throttle body, and we're talking about, okay, right there in that hole. That sensor will look kind of like that. Okay, let me install it right here. It will be connected like that. Now, that sensor, guys, okay, it may not be bad. It could be other things as well. We have a special video that explains how to test MAP sensor, which is not complicated at all. Once you test it, okay, you will know if it's good or bad. But other things that can cause the sensor not to work could be broken wire that's pulled out of the connector. People will try to disconnect it by pulling for the wires, and they can come out of the connector. It will not communicate. Connector that's not pushed all the way in and locked in place with the safety red pin, or connector that's contaminated with oil, dirt, dust, water, or corrosion, and that will prevent working correctly as well. If you don't remove that sensor the correct way, you will break your intake manifold. Check out the video that we have on our channel, how to replace MAP sensor, and it will teach you all about that, how to safely remove it, because there is a trick. Otherwise, that intake manifold will cost you a few $100s. Now, if you want to see any specific videos, guys, on Dodge Charger, let us know. Leave a comment below. As you know, we constantly make videos. We will try to help you that way when we have time, and we will help anybody with that problem that you had as well, so we can build a community where we help each other and we save money. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.